Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a neat trick on TikTok that'll help you rediscover those awesome videos you accidentally refreshed away. Ever been there? Well, fret no more. Let's dive right in and unveil this handy feature together. Open up the TikTok app on your device. Look for the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, here's where the magic unfolds. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. And here comes the trick. Simply type in a dot using your keyboard and hit search. Now you'll see an option pop up called View Your Watch History. Tap on it, and behold, a list of your recently watched TikTok videos appears right before your eyes. But wait, there's more. TikTok even lets you manage this list. Just tap on the select button at the top right corner, choose the videos you want to bid farewell to, and hit delete. Easy peasy. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy way to revisit your watch history and rediscover those gems on TikTok. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.